Hey, what's up YouTube? I was meant to upload this video and part 1 of the manifold install a long time ago, but I didn't. I think it was around Christmas time we were meant to release it. But yeah, we didn't. Kind of half-assed it, but anyway, here it is. Enjoy all 3 minutes of it. So it's about a week or 2 since I've installed the manifold with the guys down at Limitless Garage. I gave Robert a text tonight because we didn't get to finish the video last time. We ended up going down to Dublin, grabbing Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Donuts, which was pretty crap, and a bit of food and stuff, and just really didn't get any sound clips of the car. So I'm going to go pick him up tonight, do a few flybys and revving and stuff, just to let you hear what it sounds like compared to the equal length headers that were in originally before. Hello.
Good evening.
That's a few exhaust clips. Hookiness.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and all that there.
Merry Christmas.
This is going to be out before Christmas, but Merry Christmas. This is going to be out before Christmas. Wasn't though, James, was it? No, wasn't. Because we'll probably not do a Christmas video. Well, I would like to, but I have no idea what we're going to do.
And just remember, it's not November, everyone, so if you're watching that, keep it in your shorts.
Yeah. And on that pleasant note, please comment below if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe, and we'll also have some new content coming out soon. It was meant to be a dub shed weekend past, but unfortunately I had COVID, so I couldn't make it, and I wasn't going to make Bill walk around with the camera by himself. He's currently getting his IS200 painted. There's an IS200 build series coming, so with that coming up and a few things happening to my car as well to get ready for this show season and next, depending on what funds allow. But yeah, thanks for watching.